Good day, everyone. I am Humilda Russell Choi from BS Ed Math 2A. In this video, I will discuss on how are we going to find the day of the week using Gregorian calendar. But before that, let's define first what is Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar is the most widely used calendar system today, particularly in Western countries. It was introduced by Pope Gregory VIII in 1582 as a modification of the Julian calendar to align more accurately with the season. So now, we will find the day of the week using Gregorian formula. So the Gregorian formula in finding the day of the week is day of the week is equal to YC plus MC plus CC plus DN minus LLYC modulo 7, wherein YC is a year code, MC is a month code, CC is a century code, DN is a date number, LYC is a leap year code. So now, I will discuss on how are we going to find the year code, month code, century code, date number, and the leap year code. So first is a leap year code. A year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4, except for century years divisible by 100, unless they are also divisible by 400. Example, 2000. 2000 is a leap year because it is divisible by 100. 2020 is a leap year because it is divisible by 4. Next, let's proceed in the year code. To find the year code, we have here a formula, the YY plus YY over 4. We can express as YY plus YY over 4, wherein YY is the last 2 digit of the given year. But take note, if the month fall in January and February, deduct the last 2 digit of the year by 1. Example, we have here the year of 1987. So the formula in finding the year code is YC is equal to YY plus YY over 4. So copy the last 2 digit of the given year, which is the 87. So 87 plus 87 over 4. Copy first the 87 and divide the 87 over 4. 87 over 4 is 21.75. But we will just copy the 21. No need to write the remainder. So 87 plus 21 is equal to 108. So therefore, the year code is 108. Next, let's proceed on the month code. So the following is the month code of each month. January is equal to 0, February is equal to 3, March is equal to 2, April is equal to 5, May is equal to 0, June is equal to 3, July is equal to 5, August is equal to 1, September is equal to 4, October is equal to 6, November is equal to 2, and December is equal to 4. So to find the month code, like for example, we have here a Romaldo's birthday is September. So its month code is 4. Another example, the Anna's birthday is October. So the month code of October is equal to 6. Next, let's proceed on the century code. So the following is the century code that describe each of it. So 1600 is equal to 0, 700 is equal to 5, 1800 is equal to 3, and 1900 is equal to 1. So 2000 is equal to 0, 2100 is equal to 5, 2200 is equal to 3, 2300 is equal to 1, so on and so forth. So how are we going to find the century code? Example, we have here a 1987. So the century of 1987 is in 900. So the century code of 1987 is 1. Next, the day number. The day number is simply the day given on the problem. Like for example, my birthday is January 27. So 27 is the day number. Next, the day code. So our day code is Sunday is equal to 0, Monday is equal to 1, Tuesday is equal to 2, Wednesday is equal to 3, Thursday is equal to 4, Friday is equal to 5, Saturday is equal to 6. So now, let's have an example. Mika was born on August 7, 2009. Determine the day of the week using Gregorian calendar. So the formula is day of the week is equal to YC plus MC plus CC plus DN minus LYC modulo 7. So now let's identify the code. So the year code is equal to, the formula on finding the year code is YY plus YY over 4. So we will just copy the last two digits of the given year, which is the 2009. So copy 09 plus 09 over 4 is equal to 11. So the month code, since it is the August, the month code is equal to 2. Then the century code is equal to 0, and the day number is 7, since it's August 7. So the leap year code is 0. So now we will just solve. So now we will just solve it using the Gregorian calendar formula. So the Gregorian calendar formula is day code is equal to YC plus MC plus CC plus DN minus LYC. YC is a year code, which is the 11, plus month code is equal to 2, plus century code is 0, and the day number is 7, and the leap year is 0. Modulo 7. So 11 plus 2 plus 0 plus 7 minus 0 modulo 7. So 11 plus 2 plus 0 plus 7 minus 0 is equal to 20 modulo 7. So 20 divided by 7 is 2, and the remainder is 6. Therefore, our day code is 6, which is the Saturday. Why Saturday? Because our day code is 6, and the day code is Saturday is equal to 6. Okay, so that's all on how are we going to find a day of the week.